Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most important pieces of data when it comes to YouTube. Of course, we're talking about the thumbnail. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, you don't always know the thumbnail YouTube automatically picks for you. That's why it's important to pick your own. How do you do this? Simply take your video and download it to your mobile device. The way I do it is I email to myself from my desktop. From my mobile device, I open it up and download it to my phone. The next step is to go ahead and I head to my YouTube channel. Now I'll go down and click on the plus button below. Next, I'll be able to see my video ready to go there for upload, and I'll click on it. You can watch through your video at this point, but the important thing is to click next. Your next prompt allows you to add other things if you feel it's necessary, like text or filters or maybe even sound. Then click next one more time. This is where the magic happens now. Create your title for your video and click on the pencil icon. Now toggle what looks like a white square to your selected image for a thumbnail. Once selected, click Done. That's it. Click Upload Short and you're good to go.